I built this dinner bell, the bracket, a little ding-a-ling, and I don't even have a wall to hang it on. Hey YouTube, what are we doing tonight? Well, we are going to finish up the dinner bell. So, I don't know why I decided to make this thing 3 nights long, but it's probably because I get home late and I'm a little tired and it takes me a while to get back out here. So, you know, there you have it. But what we're doing, the first night we did the actual bell. Last night we did the bracket. Tonight, we need to make the little clanger beady thing, but I had a change of heart. And I've already made these little rivets. These are, oops, let me put it in the camera. I've already made these little rivet blanks here. They're 1/4 inch, domed, little homemade tool. And I decided that these little rivets would look great in that little pocket. What we're going to do is we're going to cut a back plate for this, 2.5 inches wide, X inches tall. We're going to punch, probably drill 6 holes in it, 4 for mounting and then the 2 for the rivets. And then we'll cut the rivets to length, we'll set it up. I had to, my rivet set, my little bottom set tool, I had to really kind of grind it down so it would fit in that and actually engage the rivet. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And then we'll make the little clanger, beady bell, clapper thing, and then we'll see about tying this thing all together and see if we can get it, because I got it kind of clocked the wrong direction. So we'll see if that works. That's what we're doing. So let's get started. I think it looks pretty good. You see they're riveted on the back. Just cold, hammered down, but peened. Yeah, so I like the way that looks. Much more better. So, as they say in my hometown, more better. All right. Let's actually make what we came out here to make, which is the little ding-a-lingy thing, which is just a piece of metal. We're going to put a ring in the end of it, so it's not particularly difficult. But it still needs done. So, back to work. Oh, you gotta be kidding. I bet beeswax smoke is some sort of carcinogen. I think they make cows the way they used to. All right, there it is, in all of its glory. I don't know if this knot's going to work. I suspect it's going to fall apart, but I have a bit of a confession. This is actually the second little ding-a-ling clanger thing I built. The first one, I just wasn't feeling. I'm a little bit, honestly, I don't feel well today, and so just a little bit off. But I think it turned out okay. I mean, look at it. I don't have any wall space to really feature it in this garage, but I think it worked pretty okie dokie. So, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, that kind of stuff. Share the video, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not. And tomorrow, depending on the weather, we're going to be working on the 4x4 Rusty. So I bought some material today to build the extensions in the frame, so that happens tomorrow. So till next time, bye. You can hear the ads on TV now. Have you or a loved one been exposed to beeswax smoke? You may be entitled to compensation.